Welcome back to our channel, where we provide helpful tips and tricks for Windows 10 users. In today's video, we'll show you how to make Windows 10 look better by customizing your desktop. Let's get started. Step 1. Press the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Step 2. Go to Settings by clicking on the gear icon in the Start menu. Step 3. In the Settings window, select Personalization, and then click on Themes in the left-hand menu. Step 4. Now, click on Desktop Icon Settings, located under the Related Settings section. Step 5. This will bring up a small new window, where you can uncheck any Windows icons you don't want to display on your desktop. By hiding unnecessary icons, you allow your cool wallpaper to shine through. Step 6. Once you have made your selections, press the Apply button and then click OK to save the changes. Step 7. Next, let's organize your desktop icons. Right-click on an empty space on your desktop and select View. This will give you several options to customize your icons. You can change the icon size, auto-arrange them, and even snap all icons to the grid for a clean and organized look. By following these simple steps, you can make your Windows 10 desktop look better and more personalized. Don't forget to experiment with different themes and wallpapers to truly make it your own. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Windows 10 tutorials and customization tips. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.